The ocean glows at night. Every wave turns blue in the night. Footprints flash behind you on the glowing sand. It looks like magic, yet millions of tiny lights create the glow. Bioluminescent plankton generate light through chemistry. When the water moves, they spark, flashing a brief burst of defense. The glowing sea appears alive, startling predators with its light. Each flash lasts less than a second, but together they illuminate miles of coastline. Even in darkness, life finds a way to shine. If you've seen this ocean glow, share your story in the comments and subscribe for more wonders.